Mamaya tayo mang-hype.
Pre, ano anyari?
Hindi ko alam kung mag-expect ako ng something sa Balikbayan 2 or nag-wonder ako ano kaya. More on naka-open lang yung mind ko kung ano mangyayari. Ano kaya experience ang mangyayari ngayon dito. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako. Ngunit mayroong awitin iwanan sa inyo. Alala dahil ay magpaawat eh no.
Let's go to the first stop. Progress, GH.
Sa akin yung t-shirt niya mamaya.
Ganda nung pool.
Nag-iisa! 3K! 3K! Baka may kukuha! Baka may kukuha! Mas mahirap ito kunin!
And it goes like this, yeah. I be grinding so they want more from me. They be shining, that's what it's supposed to be. I'm always trying, forever I'm going to be. Under the sheets, under the sheets. I'm giving my best shot, it doesn't land right. Working overtime so that we gon' be aight. I've seen all of this before with my own sight. Married to the money, or worse than my own. Gave him everything I got me anything I need. Yeah, I'm grateful, good food and glue. But I don't smoke anymore nowadays. Any place we should go, separate ways anyways. But I don't mind popping one time. Show me some love, let me hear it 2 times. But I don't mind popping one time. Show me some love, let me hear it 2 times. Yeah, yeah, I need me some love. Let me hear it 2 times. Yeah, I want me some love. Yeah, need it 2 times. Slowly coming up, they can see me going in. I've been rolling to the city with a couple hooligans. Still hungry, what the fuck? I need me on the bands. Tell me where it ends, can you tell me where it ends? Grind the feeling forever, I'm about to crash. Finding what's missing, I've been moving like flash. One last cigarette, I'm turning all the ash. Can't be living like this from the past. Nagkalag man nung is, wala namang kapatikas. Kung sino magaling at bigas, basta malupit yung bigas. Tapos pag kumorma matigas, magnet lahat ng chikas. Hindi ko na kailangan pa na kumain ng bigas. Okay na sa'kin yung ulam, wala naman yung problema.
Ayo!
Gusto ko ay real love, yun naman ang tema. Pakita mo naman sa'kin na ikaw ay isang proba. Di naman to basketball, puro ka kasi bola. Yeah, yeah, I need me some love.
Flip first try. Tumunog yung likod ko.
Pangit eh. Sabang pangit. Sabang pangit. Sabang. Parang ganun. Yeah. Yeah.
Saan ako hinto? Ay po, may piyok pa. Ganyan.
Tapos ano yung ganun?
Labas toy-toy.
Mapapaganyan.
Cannonball, pababa.
Dahil mong live audience center sa Caloocan. Nakuha ni...
Kayo na pa ako dito.
Nakuha na ni Lars yung dala ko. Kasabi niya, muwi ka na eh. Sabi ko, sige, ito na lang to.
Ubuot.
Muwi ka muna dito, damot talaga nito sa camera.
I wake up to a little bit of drool. I'ma pull up, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Not
Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the cop getting hit, yeah, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'm up here for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for
Bili na kayo, bro, model. Sama ba ako dyan? Yeah.
Mayabang.
Yeah. First time lang yan, man. Ngayon lang ako nanalo.
Day 1 of Calles 3-day sesh. Let's go.
Ready ka na. Ready ka na. Yan. Yeah? And for our next stop, we're here at Doobie's Concept.
Kick-flip. Opo! Tama! Oh! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Try flip! Baka try flip, boy! Pugingin na mo! Yeah! Try flip! Oh!
Pwede ba tutukan niyo din ako niya?
Malapit.
Amir, wait lang.
Meron na bang 360 hard frontside revert?
Wala pa.
Yeah!
Last try.
Ito ba yung bahay ng mga magpapakita? Sa nagkakitaan.
Lowrider lang Lumatek. Hindi na kayo Lumatek. Baka niya yung mga lalabas namin. Ilabas ni Ariel yung
Oh, Shambo!
Game. Ay, 40 flip. Dalawa.
double.
Try double.
Yeah! Good ka.
Tatlo.
3.
Dalawang pa.
Bakit kasi patanong?
Last try.
Good game.
Tagal oh. Tagal oh. Ang tagal!
Natin shoutout kay Wilmer Border. Yeah. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Shoutout kay Kanye. Shoutout kay Dubis. Yeah. Magandang gabi. Thank you very much sa lahat na nagpunta ngayong gabi dito.
Shoutout kay MD.
Thank you very much guys for coming.
Shoutout sa'yo, Hope.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Yeah. Right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can't let the moment pass me. They never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating. I'm on everything I love. Word to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Let's go, progress!
Move it. Keep it moving, roll it.
Back to you. Back. Hard.
Because we in it for the moment. I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play in the day.
Highlight.
We try and we dying. Never sleep, never. Never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on no past success. You gotta love what you.
Ay, sorry.
Moving. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. Never slowing down, never moving.
Tapusin mo. Kick him.
Rolling. Keep it moving, we ain't never gonna lose it.
Para lahat tayo makabuo. Putang ina.
Oli.
Tangin na pag may naman dyan sa paking mo sa mukha.
Tangin na, parang pressure yun ah.
Kamali yun, no? Yeah.
O yung ilaw pare ah.
Front shop.
Wala. Bad. Ano na tayo? 1-1 na tayo. Mabigat na dapat. Labas ko out ah. Uy. Grabe yun. Top shop. Good. Left. Good defense. All in. Good. Switch inward. Bad.
Late front shop.
Late front shot. 1-0.
Save.
Make it the same. Wala.
Only time.
Only try inward. All one.
All inward.
Wala.
Make it save.
Yes. Good.
There you go.
2-1.
Late front side big spin.
Late front side big spin. That's good.
Only blue.
Olive there.
Only front.
Olive front side good.
Only get up.
Yeah. Good.
Oli get to
Yeah. All two.
Only hard boxing.
Okay. Good. 3-2.
Switch hard.
3 shot.
Switch hard front side river.
Last try. Good defense. Defense. Ano yung tao yun? May kutukol sa taas ah.
Switch to inward.
Switch try. Inward lang. Sayang. Ora, champion.
Yeah.
From South Metro Fingers, congratulations. Nanalo ka ng Class B. Para sa ating Class A champion, Urag. Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you ka muna dyan.
Kaya maraming salamat sa pagbalik.
Yes. Para sa ating
Oh, bili na kayo ng fleek sheets. Merong ano doon, 3 concrete. Pag nabulot nyo, libre yun. Yes! Prizes!
At para sa ating best trick, ay nasa harapang ko, the Wilmer Border para sa best trick.
Best trick!
May kalidek, may kalidek.
Pandesal, tol!
Kalidek yun eh.
Oh, lamig! Welcome to Gnarly. This is the last and final stop before the main event. Let's go.
Panibagong pahina sa aking libro. Kailangan na ng bagong walem. Paminsan-minsan nais kong mawala sa kawalan. Kitang mga plaka, lagi kong pinapakinggan. Malibang maglibang at kalimutan ng mga problema kahit panagdalian lang. Tulungan ang kapwa kapag nasasaktan. Huwag gayahin ang mga sakit sa kayamanan. Mga nasa pwesto na nagugulagan. Kaya hindi maisalba ang kahirapan sa ating bayan. Patuloy kong ipaglalaban ang karapatan ng bawat bata sa lansangan. Bigyan ng edukasyon at maayos na masisilungan. Pagkat pag-asa at progreso ang dala ng kabataan. Nahihirapan na ang ating mundo, pero patuloy pa rin natin binabago ito. Nakalimutan mo na ba na ito isang regalo? Higit pa sa milyong piso na pinapangarap mo.
Every day's a new struggle, so we live for the time. Everybody has a purpose, seeking you find, and sometimes you fall down like a
Hi guys, punta kayo Gnarly. Solid si Gnarly.
Yo, it's straight off the press. Ain't nothing else we just gave our best.
Okay, Dog Bro, andito tayo sa Gnarly Backyard /HQ /Fingerboard Arena. At syempre, nandito tayo sa third event ng Kalye Homecoming.
That's how we do it. Lockdown. Hold up, this beat was featuring the mix. Gently breaking bones like stones and sticks. I'm designed with the kind of mind to be in line with sophisticated words that you must define. We on the grind like the next flow. Catching only with the hype retro. Memories of how to let go. A rebel against the devil. Heavy metal in another level, I suppose. You feel the trouble. I'm on the hell of clean hustle living.
Dagger ang ano. High five. Fist bump, fist bump.
Life in another life, I'm taking flight just so I can feel fly flowing and a lot of females showing my feelings soft knowing that I wouldn't have the money all the time of day to spend on a chick, so hopefully work really pays up.
Magti-trick request. Anong trick gagawin nila? May in-out lagi ah.
Ano? Madali lang, kick flip, nose grind, nollie flip out. Yun lang, basic lang.
We on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind,
I got my mind on the grind every time. Every day I'm losing sight of my life from the drive. Can't decide whether to chill and unwind, cause I'm hella tired. Or to work hours and hours just to make a dime. I do my art and my music all at the same time. But I'm thinking of quitting cause I don't seem to shine.
Off that, you know you get who they want and they want that. This is the next big thing and that's a fact.
They got the streets behind our back. You know we live it, walk it and talk it. This ain't no thing I'm acting. Next to Jet I'm like the king of rap. Next to VE, on me, I'm like the ass.
Wilmer Border Pro Model out now. Lumatech.co.
We on the grind, we on the grind, grind.
Yeah!
We on the grind, grind. We on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind. We on the grind just to make ends meet.
biggest talented MC. The super lyrical type. I don't use guns to make my sound tight. I fist fight and slap beats with my mic. I'm used screws. Literally I abuse DJ the whack rapper. Stupid point of view. Fix the mindset.
Binulong si Ariel. Si Ariel yun ah.
Start to orchestrate me on the grind. 24/7, man. I try to live life independent. Cash rules, most definitely. Me and my crew, we steadily shine. If this track is on sale, make sure you'll press rewind. We be the unusual kind. The old and new we combine. Find abilities, watch us strike this planet Earth and shock the nation. Hip hop is back, get ready for action. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind. We on the grind, we on the grind, grind.
Sobrang ganda!
Check. Yo. Last mini games tayo, tara. 30 seconds part 1. Part 1, 30 seconds. Dito sa silugpan. Go. The zone. Si Kuya mo, Kevin. 1, go. Yeah! Long slide to 10 slide. 2, 1. Last trick. Skater. Oh! Leg pressure. Last trick pa.
Tangina nyo, bang trick! Motherfucker!
Go. Yeah!
Ikot tayo.
Yeah. Wala! Ay, ko po. Yeah. Last trick. Yeah.
Stylish! Dito.
Oh, last trick.
Ganyan pala pag may anak na ano.
Evidence by elements in this room.
Better flip 5 more.
Sentimental left up in the speaker.
Ano, Osman?
Something you don't look at the
Ah,
deeper.
hard flip out. Si Patrick. Yeah. Yung next na nanalo sa trick request natin ay si Nico. Anong trick yun? Kick flip, nose grind, all of it out.
Wala. Mating-fusing taga-manda. Ano yun?
So ang sabi natin para sa park run ay 30 seconds park run ay si Roland. Yeah, wala pa natin guys. Yeah, ano si Roland?
I want like this.
Oo nga.
Power slide yung land.
Set natin para ano.
Loading.
G. Game. Damn, magyan mo, basa. Ganun.
Para makaupo.
Oops. What the heck?
Yan. Ipit mo. Ipit.
Nice.
Yan.
Secured.
Kala mo sasabay sa akin ko, Ibig, di ba?
Ha? Oo. Nakalimutan ko yung camera ko, pre.
Name here.
Nakalimutan ko camera ko. Strict lead, man.
Sunod tayo. Sunod after nyo. Kami pagbalik ng elevator.
Yeah, okay, see ya.
See ya upstairs.
Ingress, ingress.
Ingress.
Time check. 8:38. It's 8:38. June 26, 8:38. Tapos talagang less than 24 hours na lang yung event, boss. Tapos wala na. Bakbakan na bukas.
Baka na to. Bang, biloxing.
Philippines, number 1. Next year. See you next year.
Yes, sir.
Kanina sinabi ko, we'll be back. Sino yung we? Hindi tayo makakabot ng 6 dito, pre. Promise.
Legit.
Wala tayong idea. Kahit 4 mo na. Lagay mo ng 4. Maglakad tayo pataas. Mag-stairs. Ay, bukas. Dito ang pila niyan, panigurado. Dito na tayo.
Gamit mo. 9 na oras, mga 9:30.
Maaga tayo.
Yeah, lahat sa taas. Para, kasi may match dito, may sino bukas eh.
Yeah.
Chiba. Marley.
Gutom na ako.
Nice, Ross. Si Ross gumawa nito. Good job. Yung talent.
This is a stage.
There he is! Influencing you guys!
The man is in the building!
Gusto ko sana lagyan ng sticker dito, kalye. Pwede
Ah,
tayo
pwede
mag-post up,
selfie,
pwede
no?
tayo mag-post up dyan. Tapos,
Ay, open. Lim! Smoking area, pwede.
tapos pwede rin kung hindi naman uulan bukas, pwede rin may parks dito. Di ba? Outdoor.
Parks or game of skate things.
Di ba?
Hindi, mandilim lang. Hindi pa naman makikita sa video.
Di ba? Damn bro, we're almost there.
Yeah.
We're almost there, dude. Oy! Uy!
Maipit ka din, no?
Naisip si Ariel pre kanina.
Diyan.
Oo, sabi ko, hindi pwedeng mawala si Ariel. Masyadong maaga.
Daan ako. Tingnan ko pa may mga schedule ako. Hi, what's up?
Open na to, sir?
Oo, soft open. May pizza, ganun. What's up, brother?
Boss.
Yeah, how are you?
Good.
Tapos na kombi. Diba? Yun na. Bakit tapos na ang kombi?
Sali kami.
Park tayo ya.
Hey, yo! Ay, nandito ako!
Sir, stop filming.
Sir, stop filming. Halika, dito tayo. Yo!
Ay, dami. Happy Father's Day.
Hello po. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Ang! Kasi may tumatawag sa akin.
Love you, everyone.
Nature. Yeah. Na-miss kita, pre. In the middle of kami, heated battle.
Mga hot skate.
Kanina pa na
Hindi naman nalatang hot skate. Bukas ha.
Oo, bukas. Sabay tayo. Ano ko ba magsasasakyan?
Yes, sir. Dalawang nga rin yun. Followers. Next podcast na daw.
Boom! Out na!
Hello! Malalayo pa kayo. Thank you sa pagpunta. Sorry Fred. Tama kasi ba't ka naka-jacket? Kaya pala mainit. Sunod na lang sa amin. Sa hagdan tayo, 6th floor. Sorry guys, medyo maghahagdan tayo ng malayo-layo ha.
Wala elevator?
Meron elevator kung sino lang yung hindi kaya maghagdan. Very good.
Eh, si Silver Porter ko yun? Silver Porter! Silver Porter, pa-notice!
Saan yung pinakamalayong tayo? Bawal magdikit sa mga stickers sa mga parks. Bawal na bawal magsulat sa mga park or kahit saan. Stickers, bawal din.
Do you remember we had dignity, sanity, a world to trust instead of biting fingers till they bleed? Do you find joy in all your shallow hell of empty noise? Our world is burning, but they'll keep on selling broken toys.
Nakawalan si CJ ng ticket. Kabisado daw po. Sige nga. Ano nga yung number? Sabi niyo, pre.
Forget that we had empathy, clarity. Now every truth is drowned beneath the sea of vanity. Do you feel proud up in your tower built on fear and doubt? The sky is falling, they just smile, never call it out. Whoa, can't be it, they don't can't be it now. Whoa, can't be it. This can't be it now.
Wala akong picture. Sorry. This is for me? Bossing! Biglang bumalik! MM2! MM2!
Talo si Bossing.
Welcome back!
Yeah. Ayun, nabalik pa sa laro. Oh.
First try lang, one try lang. Kickflip. Bird slide.
Feather foot 5-0 first try daw.
Nose grind.
Tama po.
Sige. Sige. Ulit. 50-50.
Tinatanggap sa hirap niyang pagsamahan at may isang
Hindi ba to putang ina, pinayagan ba to ng mama niya? Sakto lang.
Gumagawa? Ang dumi nga eh, long pass nga eh. No, umuwi na ba tayo? Kain na ba tayo? Ayoko.
Tandaan at huwag kalilimutang alagaan ang mundong ating tinatapakan.
Guys, doon tayo magra-raffle sa stage. Guys, doon tayo magra-raffle sa stage.
Saan? Kukunin ko tong oras na to para magpasalamat sa inyo. Salamat sa mga pumunta, sa mga malalayo pa, sa mga dumayo pa, kung saan lupalok pa ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan nyo ang sarili nyo. Kaya tayo magsabi ng Kalye at Pinoy Fingerboarders. Oh, Kalye, balik bayan na lang. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go! Kalye, balik bayan! Another one! Give me a 100% energy! 1, 2, 3! Wait lang! Medyo hindi tayo nagka-async eh. Ito na lang para magkaintindihan tayo. When I say Kalye, you say Balikbayan. Ready? Kalye pa lang. Kalye! Balikbayan! Kalye! Balikbayan! Kalye! Balikbayan! Seven. Yun! 2-5. Yun! 8. 5. Ano lang sabi? 7, 2, 5, 8, 5. 8. 7, 2, 5, 8, 5, 8. Ano last one? When I say G, you say Narly. G, Narly. G, Narly. G, Narly. Yes, makakawit ka lang! Una, ang pala ni winner. Problem FK Narly, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ang tao nasa Balikbayan, buong Pilipinas! Damn! Damn! 29! 29! 29!
Siyempre, una shoutout sa Progress. Progress kay Boss Mick, salamat. Tapos kay Boss, nandito ba si Boss Dog? Wala. Basta Doobies!
Yeah!
Salamat sa Doobies! And of course, sa Gnarly!
Paano natin na guys?
Paano natin Gnarly? Ang dami nilang banner, bro! Sa lahat ng sponsors, lahat ng pumunta, lahat ng fingerboard, tag nyo kami, post nyo sa Instagram, sa YouTube, lahat. Next year, baka marami yung pupunta yung nasasabihin ko. Good night!
Tumapok kakayanin kasi wala kang bitaw. Kalaban mo may guns na kasunod ng kasiga. Sumama ka sa to, baby wag ka sa tolongges. Di mauubusan pa bilang ilang beses. Yung tipo mong babae, ako yung niyayaya. Gusto nila sa akin, mga noy piwa na gaya. Sprayan yung kalaban, likay full out. Ballin sa 1200, MCT ko ako. Wala ka to bitaw. Parang bitch kong gumalaw. Tagin kami lagi, kita mo sa aming galaw. Trapin kami pare, hindi mo lang yung tanaw. Chase kumikin ng
natin. Buy one take one?
Oo.
Pabili nga po buy one take one.
Here you go, sir. Buy one, get one.